This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to find out what Claude plan you are on. So you have an Anthropic Claude account, you're logged in. As you can see, I'm logged in here, it's saying back at it Matthew. You have an account, but you don't quite know what plan you're on. All you need to do is come down to the bottom here. You'll see either a picture of you or an initial. You can see the M there for me. I'm going to click on that M, and we're going to click on settings at the top here. Once settings are open, this is now a pop-up. It used to all be built into the background, but this is a recent change that they've made right here. You can see we have the general settings open here in the pop-up. We are going to come about halfway down to billing. So we click on billing, and from here we can see exactly what plan we are on. So you see that I currently have the Pro plan, I'm paying monthly, and I can see that it will auto-renew on June 30th. So you can adjust the plan from there. You can see your payment details here, you can update your payment, you can see what you've spent currently in the last kind of few months right there, and you can also cancel the plan right there at the bottom. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you want to adjust the plan, obviously you just click on adjust plan and it opens up here, and you can change to max or to pro if you're on the free plan, and that is how you would do it. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.